don't do boats, end off.
I signed up for a car show.
Hammond! May, you idiots!
I don't like boats. You can't trust a boat.
There's water coming into the boat.
No, there was some in when I bought it.
It's leaking.
There's always a bit of water in the bilges. It's why boats have bilge pumps.
No, it's coming in. It's not just like it's in, it's coming in.
Well, there's none here.
There's holes in the... It's leaking.
Shit, no, there is. Well, why don't it attaches to the crane?
Well, it's gone down. It has gone down. It's going down.
Well, no, if you attach this to the crane, it won't sink, will it?
We're tied on.
James, can you just take the slack?
Sadly, James misunderstood this simple instruction.
Oh, the whole thing has collapsed at the back. Oh, dear God. No, stop. Whoa, what? It's falling over. James, it's falling.
What do you want?
Holy mother of God.
Abandon ship, save yourself!
That's James! Save it! Stop!
What are you doing?
Oh, God. The French Secret Service didn't do a job as good as this.
I'm not talking to any of you.
No, come on, it was May's fault.
You bought a crap boat, you put an idiot Spaniard on the crane, and also, think what we were going to do for the conception of the car. People would love the car. They'd see it as a friendly, coral-loving thing.
You're swimming like an old woman.
I don't like being in the bloody water! Fact! I'm not comfortable, I'm from Birmingham.
You drive in there, pull up alongside a boat where you like a look at the produce and then buy it.
For Richard and James, this turned out to be easy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
But for me, in the Unruly PBR...
Oh my God. F***ing hell. I can't steer it. Oh my giddy aunt. Sorry. I'm gonna have... Oh no. Hammond, I've smashed your window.
Yep, I can see that, yep.
Stop beeping! Move! Oof. Sorry. Yeah, I'll go over here. I meant... No, don't spin around again. Oh, no. Sorry.
Right.
Soon, James and I were ready for the test, and not at all nervous.
When we fire up the jet, this perspex that I put in here, I put it in. So what if that just goes?
You shouldn't have said that.
We are now going to fire up the jet engine.
Right, put your thing on. It's going to be bloody loud.
What thing?
These
This is
things.
a good point. Right.
Comms check.
Dials are engaged. This is the speedometer.
Okay, you've got igniter on, bilge pump off, throttle set at idle. Go.
Starting jet. Holy shit.
It's going round. Don't look at it.
Don't look in the rearview mirror.
Right, well, we're doing 2 miles an hour.
Come on! Come on!
Can I just say something?
We're sinking.
No, my half is sinking.
Oh, God, we really do need... I'm going to go into shore. What the hell have you done? I'll get
Don't know. Oh, you just...
Hammond?
What? Everybody stop crashing into me!
Are you stuck?
No, I just thought I'd stop here. I've caught a net.
Well, why didn't you just go and cut it off?
Why isn't this happening to you?
What?
Why aren't you catching your props in nets?
I haven't got any props. It's a PBR. It's a jet boat. I've got 2 jets.
Really?
Right.
Leaving Hammond to clear his props.
There! That is the problem.
I sailed onwards with Rear Admiral Slow.
James May's boat is the sort of thing I can imagine they gave to Prince Charles when he was a boy to play with in the bath. Which one of you two's driving it?
No, that's interesting
We've
because...
had to think about that. It's got to be somebody with a speedboat, powerboat racing license.
Yes. Have you got one of those?
I haven't got one, and
I haven't got one. Do I know anybody who does have one?
Yes, I do have a racing licence.
well, there you go then.
And here is your racing boat.
Look what we've built for you.
Visor down. It's on the plane now. We're on the plane. It's very sprayy. It's a badly designed hull.
But the hull was the least of my problems.
Jesus Christ, this steering. Nightmare. I can't steer it. I literally cannot steer it.
I think he's experimenting with it. I think he's sort of testing.
Oh my God! Oh, God.
It looks pretty good.
It looks fabulous. I bet it handles like a dream.
Oh, come on! I'm gonna crash into the bloody safety boat.
But look, he's making
That looks
turns.
tremendous.
Yes.
3 times I tried to get the pond bug pointing in the right direction.
Absolutely impossible.
And then I thought, sod it. Put my foot down and went for it.
Oh, Christ! It's only my skill that is keeping this pointing in a straight line.
And to make matters worse for a man on a speed run, I had no idea how fast I was going.
I got a GPS speedo, but I can't read it because there isn't any GPS. Why have they given me such shoddy workmanship? Oh, heavens! Oh, Christ. That's the worst thing I've ever done, ever.
Hey guys, this is the first time we've run under our own steam as a 3.
Yeah, it feels good.
Not sure it feels that good though, does it?
Do you know what might feel better?
Thank you. Very funny.
Okay, here's the situation. We built this bit here. Hammond is going to bring the boat around here, and we're now going to tow it to the end of what we've already built, where we can attach our new section. Pull the cord.
Where's the cord? Oh,
It's in the top of the... There.
I got it.
It works.
how do I make it move?
Twist the thing. There you go. HMS Hammond is underway.
In your own time, quick as you like.
You ready? Job 1, tie on.
Right. Are you ready? We're setting off.
Hammer's gone upside down again.
What the... Oh, jeez. How has he done...